What's crack-a-lackin' YouTube? It's been a while. It's been a while since I did a what sold video, but I sold 10 things in the last 24 hours and it has given me some motivation to make a new video, some motivation to sell some more things, to get some things listed, some motivation to just be productive. I know I've been pretty inactive recently. I've had just so much going on. I've been under a lot of stress, so I kind of had to put reselling and stuff on the back burner, which is a shame because I love the modern day treasure hunt. But yeah, I got a nice little influx of sales yesterday for some reason, so I'm gonna, make a little what sold video. Let this video serve as your motivation. Motivation to get things listed, motivation to make some sales, motivation to get the money. Then you can treat yourself. Buy yourself the extra large coffee, buy yourself a new pair of shoes or the next vintage t-shirt that you need to collect. Whatever it may be, this is the video to motivate you. And if you happen to stumble upon this video, please like it, get me back into the algorithms. I have a couple videos saved up on deck, just waiting to be posted because once again, I know I've been inactive for almost a month. But I'm back, baby, ready to attack. I got 10 sales that are just pumping my veins full of adrenaline. So let's get right into it. I have 7 from eBay and 3 from Depop. Oh, and by the way, it's Saturday morning. Just rolled around to be 9 o'clock. So don't judge the attire. I'm in my pajamas still. Ooh. All right, so let's start with the Depop orders. The first thing going out is an Eddie Bauer sweater. Boom, baby. I love these sweaters. I'm a huge fan of sweater weather and of these crazy vintage sweater. This one is 100% wool, so extra cozy. Sold for 30 bucks. You know the seasons are changing because up next is another like sweater type of thing. Well, a fleece jacket. LL Bean T Snap for 35 bucks. And I didn't have to go too far for this because I just listed this thing up. Super cozy, super comfy, and a nice quick money maker. Ooh, then we're gonna roll into something I found at a garage sale for $1. This turned around and sold for a big old profit. I really wanted to keep this for myself, but it just didn't fit right. Let me go grab it. Check this out. I love this very simple vintage Nike rugby. This thing sold for 45 bucks and is a little bit of a grailer. So Depop was popping this week, I guess. 3 sales on Depop in a week is a good week for me, let alone 3 sales in a day on Depop. So it's good to be more active on there. That's really the kind of stuff I love to sell. That's when I go out picking, I'm looking for like cool vintage items like that. But let's not throw too much shade on eBay. eBay is home base, man. eBay is where it all comes from. If you're not listing on eBay, you need to list on eBay. First thing we got up to bat is a vintage camel snapback. So this Joe Camel, I had to reshape this and wash it up. It was in pretty rough condition, but I guess I'm still glad to see it go. Surprisingly, these snapbacks don't sell for that much. This one only sold for 12 bucks. 12 buckaroonies. And while I was over there, I grabbed this one. I bought this for myself. I've been really digging corduroy lately, but this thing is huge. It fits me like a bucket hat. But I accepted an offer of 20 bucks for the FootJoy hat. So that's fun to sell too. All right, up next was another garage sale find. Man, I'm bummed that garage sales are over with. I'm in Iowa. It's super cold here, and we've already had snow on the ground once. So garage sales are over for me. But I sold a Lego Star Wars set for $48.03. You're seeing a bunch of like weird sale prices because I had a sale going on my store. But yeah, I picked this up for only 2 bucks. This is the last one. I had 4 of them. This is the last one to sell. So I made some really good money on these little Lego sets. Again, this sold for $48.03. So big old money maker right there. Oh snap, the next thing that sold is a Nike jersey. I've had this for like 2 years. Honestly, I don't even know where this is. Well, for $16.14, like I said, I've had this thing forever. I don't even know if I'll be able to find it. That worked out surprisingly well. It was in the first bin I looked in. I've had this listed for 2 years, guys. This Team Nike jersey for 2 years. I guess I finally put it on a sale that was good enough for someone to buy it. 16 bucks. I remember finding this and I thought it was so sick because of the embroidery on the back. But hey, that just goes to show you Nike isn't always the biggest money maker. You can't pick up everything Nike. All right, here's something I recently picked up from the bins. It's just a blank purple crew neck. There you are. Nothing too fancy here. It's on that Russell tag. This sold for $21.19. I got this from the bin, so I paid probably $1 for it. I'm a huge fan of the blank crew necks, man. Blank crew necks are popping right now. I never pass them up. Always grabbing them when I can. Usually an easy $20, $25 bill. All right. What's next? We got 2 more items, both hard goods. The first one is actually this fish finder. So I've sold this once before and it was returned to me. I got this from a flea market for $5. Of course, the guy at the flea market told me that it works, but the first time I sold it for $60 some, it was returned to me because it didn't work. Go figure. But anyway, I just listed it on auction for parts or repair and it still sold for $38. Someone wants a broken fish finder for 38 bucks. But hey, look at that. You know, you go to the flea market, you get some old electronics, and you can flip those too. You can flip anything you want on eBay. And then last but not least, for $43, this little Jutland game. This is a vintage game. Pretty cool little Navy, like battle scene type of game. It has history subject matter, so you know I like it, being the history teacher that I am. But yeah, I'll take 43 bucks for this all day. Hey YouTube, I'm interrupting the show here to bring you guys 4 more sales on Sunday. It's now Sunday night and I'm packing up just the last of the weekend orders. So I got 4 more things for you. Crazy how a little bit of work can get you a little bit of money. So have that be the message or the lesson of this YouTube video. Do a little work, list a couple items on eBay, other things sell, you get some extra money, you can buy yourself a cool sweatshirt like this. Anyway, let me just show off these last couple things. I just accepted an offer on a North Face jacket for 30 bucks. I got this one going out. I paid $1 for this beast at a garage sale over the summer. You can't beat it for $1. Turning that into 30 bucks all day. I would do that all day. Then I sold a t-shirt, a very torn up, nasty vintage t-shirt. Only $14.55 on this one. Look at that, it was right there on top. But this thing is pretty stand up, pretty thrashed and trashed. Actually, this t-shirt comes out of a deal I made when I was in Colorado. One of the best little buyouts that I've ever done. And this just so happened to be the worst t-shirt that was just kind of thrown into the lots. But yeah, anyway, it's out of here now. Cool graphic for $14.55. Not every sale is going to be a home run, but you know, these little $10, $15, $20, $25 t-shirts really add up and pay the bills or buy you new shirts. Up next is a nice, simple essential for any gamer out there. This is an old PS2 DualShock controller. So this was a pretty quick flip. I just listed this up probably probably a month ago. But I paid $1 for this at the flea market and it sold for $16.95. Which brings us to the last sale of the weekend, maybe. I guess it is Sunday night, so more things could sell still tonight. But for $20.58, I got this nice little starter bomber, I don't even know what you call this, but it's got the nice big old buttons on the front. Little windbreaker action, a nice $20 bill. I thought this was really cool when I found it. Had it in my personal collection for a while, just because it has a simple starter hit on it. Now it's sold, so give me the money. All right, back to the old video now. But hey, guys, that's gonna do it. Those are my sales, my 10 things going out. Let this serve as a little motivation, make that money, buy the extra coffee, buy those sneakers you've been wanting, do something, you know, just be productive. It makes yourself feel good. So happy Saturday morning, and I'll see you guys on the next one.